Alright guys, welcome back to Juan's Outdoor Adventures. Today we are on a fishing mission and we already know that there's bites out there. I've seen some ripples already out there. So we got 3 rods. Hopefully we catch some good fish and have a good time. Alright guys, so please stick around for that. Today is going to be an adventure. Alright, we are fishing today with a variety of baits. We've got some Canadian night crawlers. Hopefully they are still alive. I checked today in the morning and they looked alive and they still are. Some shad that unfortunately I left in the car, so they're probably gonna be stinking, which could be a good thing, could be a bad thing. We don't know. I've never used this before. And then some chicken liver. Yeah, I don't know. I've never used this. I've never used this either. So we'll figure out what these two will bring. But this, at this place, I know exactly what we're gonna bring. We've seen in the past. I've caught drum, I've caught sturgeon, and I've caught catfish here. Camera cut out for a sec. There's usually catfish that I catch on this side. Drum are on the other side by the bridge. If you guys could see. Yeah. Over there. All right guys, so let's get ready. Yeah, this rod we're gonna put a simple, we have a metal leader because this will be the gar rod, and we're gonna put some cut bait. We're gonna toss it out here in just a sec. I am not gonna toss it far. That is already about like 8 feet, and that's perfect. Now we're just gonna let it sit. We gotta go get a bell. I gotta get this close. Alright guys, we got that one set. And with this one, this is a drop shot. So let's undo the line. We're gonna put a worm on there. Or, let's go with this. Some chicken liver. Good old stinky chicken liver. I've never used this stuff. Come on, open, bruh. That smells horrendous. It's like rubbery. All right, we're gonna go put some on the worm. Let's see if we catch something with this. This is a catfish heavy rod, medium heavy, ugly stick. Caught some decent fish on this. I've caught bigger fish on this. So this is that is the lucky rod. That might be close to a snag, so let's. Now we sit and wait. Alright guys, we're gonna check the bait. They've been out there for like less than 5. That's pretty normal to see. Alright guys, we're setting up another rod. Noticing this line is moving a lot, so I'm gonna check it and we might have fish on. It's not tugging. You might have a fish on. Huh? Something was eating it. We might have to downgrade the... Oop. Oh, 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 oh. Alright guys, we're back. We got the drone up there. I've set that rod up, that rod up with worms. I got this camera rolling, and I've seen a lot of fish activity, and we're using cut bait, and it has yet to work. So we're gonna switch bait to worms. So I just put a worm on, and that thing crapped all over me because there are worms when they do that. So yeah. I'm sure the drone caught that. Y'all saw that? I don't know if you guys might have. That was a carp. Those are extremely dangerous Asian carp. I do not like them because they're invasive. I've never caught one. One day I will. I'm just gonna leave them things on the bank because they're already bad for the environment, and I do not want them to get into the Great Lakes. And they're already right there. So, yeah. I gotta change this battery out and then change the worms. The big rod, I'm gonna change it to a smaller hook and then put a, damn, this thing is hot. Ooh, this thing's inflating. Ooh, I gotta let that thing cool. I feel like, I don't know, man. It's like weird right now. Oh, we have something. Oh shit. What is it? Holy shit, guys. Do you guys see this? Yeah, I have something. What the shit and crack? What? What the crap? What? Is that a carp? Yo. I shouldn't have got. That's a massive mistake. Don't get them that next time, I guess. That was a carp. That was an Asian carp. Alrighty. Wow. That was a massive Asian carp. Big mistake on me, guys. Hopefully you guys saw that. Wow. That was crazy. Alright guys, little update. It's gotten darker. There's carp activity, like Asian carp. Really haven't had any bites. I'm gonna be here for another 30 minutes and hopefully get something, but it's right now it's not looking promising. It's getting a little bit windy. All I've seen is suckers that have gone up on the surface and just munched, or not on the surface, on the side of the river, bank of the river. Brain freeze. Brain fart. So yeah, I'm just chilling right now, and that's about it right now. All right, guys. We'll check back with you guys in later, or we got a fish, right? Peace out. Guys, I got a fish. Nice. There you go. Come on, come on. It's a drum. Strong boy. Damn it. Alright, you're scaring me, brah. Chill. You're not moving, bro. Alright guys, here you go. There's a drum. I mean, small drum, pretty average size when you around here. But yeah guys, this is it. Whoa! Alright, that was my bad bro. Chill. I'll let you go right now. Alright, Butterfingers. Yeah guys, I'm gonna let him go now. Alright guys, peace out. Good fish. Yeah. Alright guys, a little bit of an update. Bait runner reel, I check it. I'm checking it. I check all of them right now. I checked my bait runner reel. That was the last one, and I'm not sure. I hear another fish jumping. I'm not sure if you got this GoPro caught it, but I had something on there and it was fighting. I didn't realize what it was. I felt like it was a carp or a gar. It wasn't a gar. It was a carp. And I'm like, oh shit, I gotta go get the net. I'm like, all right, let me go get the net. And then I come back and the fish is still fighting for a second or two, and this thing comes off, and then I see the freaking thing flying like into the bank, but it's still in the water. Like it flew like in the direction of the bank, but it landed in the water. I was like, what the heck was that? That was crazy. It was probably it 100%. I'm sure it was Asian carp, because those are the only thing that really jump. That was an interesting fight though. Interesting that they don't usually go for that. They're like I'd say like they eat like not green organisms, but like plankton, that small, like, you know, algae. They're filter feeders. So yeah guys, it's pretty cool. All right, check back with you guys in later. All right, peace. Alright guys, a little bit of an update. Hasn't been much action since that last fish, but I just checked this rod and the bait was gone, so something must have taken it. One thing I wish this bait runner would have is some sort of bell that would notify me that the fish is pulling, and I could, you know, give attention to the rod. I'm not trying to look at the camera right now just because I have the light on, the headlamp, and I don't want to blind the camera because it's gonna go all crazy and shit. So yeah guys, I'm chilling like a villain for now. It's been here for about 2 hours and 10 minutes, and so far we've got one fish, which I'm proud of. You know, patience pays off. So yeah. Alright guys, peace out. Alright guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the vlog. I'm grateful that I was able to catch one fish at least, so that's at least I didn't get skunked. So yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Please like, share, and subscribe, and come back for another vlog. We're going back to the weekly every single Saturday at 10 a.m. Central Time. Alright, peace out guys. Have a good one. Be safe, alright? And go out for an adventure, alright? Peace.